Gusto mo ng single attached house in one of the Philippines prestigious subdivision here in Taytay, Rizal? Welcome to Mira Valley. Tingnan natin itong Brahms model with 2 carport at with 112 square meters lot area and 93 square meters floor area. Pagpasok natin guys, ito yung ating dining area at yung ating U-shaped kitchen, isang spacious living area, at may pinto tayo dito guys, access palabas sa ating outdoor kitchen, dirty kitchen, backyard, at meron tayong isang room for maid's room or storage room. Pwede, depende kay owner. At meron tayong isang toilet and bath dito sa first floor. And that's it. Let's go to the second floor. Yung finish ng hagdan natin dito guys is wood finish na at very spacious. Standard yung design ng hagdan natin. Meron tayong isang bedroom number 1. May 3 bedroom pala dito sa taas. The master bedroom. Meron tayong walk-in closet and the toilet and bath. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, may balcony yung ating master bedroom at may sliding door doon. Meron tayong common toilet and bath at the bedroom number 2. So yun guys, ito yung ating mabilisang house tour sa ating single attached house dito sa Mira Valley. Kung gusto mong ma-experience in person yung sinasabi nating prestigious subdivision, message our social media account or visit our website at www.homeforthedreamers.com. Bye!